How to change language of Google Forms. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language of Google Forms. So let's get started. First of all, you got to open a particular Google form for which you wish to change the language. And you can see that this form was originally created in English language. So what you're going to do is right click, and here you're going to find the option that says translate to this specific language, that is France over here. So you can see that this page can either be changed into English or France because I've selected French. And then you can click on these three dots, and here you can click on change another language, because if you wish to change to another language, you can just select and type in that language. For example, I'm typing in German, and then just hit the translate button. And now you can see that the language of the form has been translated to German. And you can also translate it to English back and select any other language that you wish to translate. So that was basically how you can change language on Google Forms. So if you found the story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.